What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's lesson I'll be showing you how to draw Penguin Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a large oval for the nose. We're going to start right at the very top in the middle, go out towards the left, across the middle, bring that up on the right side, and then back up towards the top. Now along the top of the nose we're going to tuck the eyes in behind. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Starting on the left side we're going to draw an oval going up, round this out, go around the outside of the eye, come down and then in towards the side of the nose. Let's draw that same size oval on the right. So step over, going up towards the same height, come around the side, and then back in towards the same height. Now we want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the top left, we're going to draw a smaller oval, going up, come around, and again back in towards the side of the nose. Line that up on the right side. Let's trace the iris along the inside. Draw a smaller oval for the pupil, and again back in towards the side of the nose. Along the top of the pupils, add a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now from here we're going to move down and tuck the mustache in behind the nose. So from the bottom of the eye, let's step down, curve the mustache, going out and then up, line that up on the right. Now I want to add those curves going along the bottom of the mustache. So starting back on the left, curve this around and then in. We're going to draw that same size curve, again coming down and in. Let's add one more on either side, and this time we're going to bring this up in towards the center, then out on the right. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the edge of the hat brim. Starting on the left, curve it just up above the eyes, across towards the right, and then again back down towards the same height. Let's go back to the left, we're going to curve the top. We're going to go up higher in the middle, go across, and then down. In between the hat brim and the eyes, we're going to add in the eyebrows. So let's start with a curve, going up and then down. Now on the ends of the eyebrows, just tuck this up underneath the hat brim. And I'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to connect the bottom corners of the hat brim with a curve, almost like a circle, going around the mustache. Come down and in towards the middle, go up on the right, and then back in. Let's add some hair poking out along the side. From here, goes in and then out, and this down and then out. Now we want to draw the outside of the head. Starting from the bottom of the chin, draw a large circle going out. Now this space gets wider and higher as you go up, round up the head, come across, come down on the right side, and then we're going to tuck that back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Starting on the left side, curve this out, down, and then in. Go to the right and do the same thing, and then in towards the same height. Now we want to leave a gap and continue that curve across the middle. Let's go back up to the top and add in those straps. From the top left, step in, follow the curve, coming down about halfway down the side of the body. Now we want to add a point, coming down and then up. Along the bottom of each strap, let's add a circle for the buttons. Now in between the straps, we're going to add a curve, coming down and then up. Then we're going to add that patch for the body, starting on the left, going up, across, and then down. Let's go back to the center. We're going to split the legs with a straight line coming down towards the heels, and then let's curve the bottom of the feet. Starting with the left side, coming down and then out. Let's separate the first toe, then it's up and in. Let's layer 2 more toes on either side. From this point, step up, then it's out, go up, and then in. Let's add one more toe, stepping up, then this out. Now here, we want to curve this up along the top of the foot, and then back down towards the heel. Now we're going to go back up to the hips. We're going to step over to create a fold, then the leg coming down, and then in on top of the feet. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw in the wings. Let's start on the top of the body, bring this down, and then out. Now I'm going to add some thickness to the wing, curve this down, and then pull that up towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to add a trim across the center of the wing. Starting from the tip, add a curve coming in, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Penguin Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you'd like your artwork to be featured in an upcoming artist spotlight, come join our sketch club or cartooning club on School. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.